for the next few months. I watched as the guppies began to feast, like a school of piranhas, on a newly shed roach that must have slipped into the pond. Now that the system has been stable, I've been trying to think of other creatures to add to Aqua Noctis. Any suggestions, guys? In terms of the floating plants, to keep them away from the snails, I decided to plant them up high on the rock wall, where they could still benefit from filtering the water of nitrates. They looked pretty there, wouldn't you say? And looking up, I spotted something that truly warmed my heart. At first I thought it was one sunskink, but eventually realized I was looking at two heads at the basking site. Both our sunskinks were basking now at the same place.